There it is. Ford Racing boost gauge. And the 8-pillar gauge pod right there. So, yep. We about to get it started. Oh yeah, and like, subscribe, comment, and share. Go ahead and take a look at some of these goodies that came in the mail the past few days. This 8-pillar gauge pod for two gauges that came in the mail a few days ago, sometime maybe over the weekend. Yeah. So yeah, I picked the color, the gray color that matches the interior of the truck, obviously. And of course, you see, that'll go like so. And here's the Ford Racing boost gauge by Autometer. See that? 0 to 60, full sweep. I see I'd already opened it. So yeah, I'll make a video when I install this stuff too. Which this will all probably be in the same video actually. Or I might just do 2 different videos and add this to the install video. There she go. That's how I'm using one hand here. Recording with one hand and trying to do other stuff with my other. I'm using my left hand. And I'm right-handed too. Yeah, you got your hardware in there. Instructions. Oh, that's the invoice. Yeah, this thing was right around $100. That was weird. Okay, my video just like stopped or something. I don't think I'm out of memory space, but yeah, this thing was like $100. And yeah, I ran out of space on my card, so I had to delete some stuff that I didn't need anymore. So let me go ahead and make this quick and finish it up. But I was saying here, I'm gonna go ahead and I got this for $100, around about $100, $99.95, you know, $100. And I'm gonna go ahead and order an EGT pyrometer. You know, it measures exhaust gas temperatures. Only thing about it, that one is like $240. It's like the cheapest I found it on eBay. So yeah, you know, but I will go ahead and eventually get this stuff installed, and I'll be making video on that too. Alright, here we go. So I'm about to get my gauge installed with the gauge pod. There it is. Ford Racing boost gauge. And the 8-pillar gauge pod right there. So yeah, we about to get it started. So we about to trim this because it don't fit exactly. We gotta make it match up. So we went to the auto parts store. We got 8-foot of hose. Now this little, see that right there? Got that from Home Depot. So that's gonna go into the hose. What else we got? We got one of these. We got these vacuum tees. This hose is just vacuum line, so it'll be heat resistant. Then we got the clamps. So all of that's gonna go together. And let's see if we can get in here and see. Yeah, I'm gonna pop that loose. Where that wire's coming out of. And I'm gonna feed the hose through that hole into the cab of the truck. I found a better idea. There's a little opening already there that was just covered up with a piece of plastic. So instead of using that, I'm gonna plug that back off, and we're going through that hole right there. Now let's take a look. This is what it looks like. Oh, let's turn on the, there we go. So yeah, it's coming through here. So we need that little piece of foam back. And then we fished it up through there. Now it's coming out right there. So now I'm looking at the way the gauge sits into the gauge pod. That stud is too long, so I'm gonna have to take the grinder and cut that short because it's sitting out too far. As you can see, I had to grind this elbow, make a little space. I cut the bolt short. Now on this one, because this is not a replacement for that, this just fits over that. So you can see I got this right here, so I'm gonna have to cut a hole into this one so that'll go through. Alright, so let me go ahead and get the drill. Let's feed the tube. As you can see, I had to cut this hole right here into the original piece, molding, whatever this is called. This tube is not actually going to go in there, but until you start recording. To the clamp. Clamp is important. we found a clamp. It was still here. Definitely did not want to do just that, because that means I would have had to go back to the store and buy another 4-pack. Let's go ahead. Like so. It's kind of a bit easier. That Wheezy on that new booster. What's wrong? Alright, so we got to make some more space for the clamp. It's taking up too much space, and that's why it's not going in easy. And so I think we're almost ready. so check it out. I finally got it finished, and of course it's dark. I'm on my way home, and the camera is really not focusing a little bit. There it goes. But you know, the darkness is okay this time because you get the full effect. So I like it so far. I'm pleased. It was a pain to get the Guage pod in place. Oh, police up ahead. State police. But yeah, so that's the boost gauge. I got this traffic in front of me, so I can't really about to get a third lane here in a minute. But y'all probably won't be able to see it, but it's climbing. This truck's turbo don't boost really high. This has got it up to like 5 pounds right there. As it's trying to focus. But yeah, that's it. I'll check y'all on the next video.